Hello again. For today's SAT math problem, we are on a no calculator test. The expression 5x minus 2 over x plus 3 is equivalent to which of the following? Go ahead and pause the video and come up with your answer, and then press play. So number 15 is the last question before the grid response, which means that SAT is considering this to be the most or one of the most difficult multiple choice questions on this no calculator test. If you have to guess once in a while in these higher number problems, it's not going to kill your score, but of course we are trying to get them all correct, and that's why we're here. So we're going to work our way through this together. So the first thing I want to point out is why A is not correct. A lot of people like to just try to cancel out that x, but you can't do that unless you can cancel out an x out of all four terms, and you can't. So A is not correct. Now let's talk about why B is not correct. Some people like to split this into two fractions, 5x over x and then minus 2 over 3. But if I'm going to split this into two fractions, it's actually 5x over x plus 3 minus 2 over x plus 3. So I can't just make a fraction out of this and then a fraction out of this. So B is also incorrect. So even if I'm guessing from here, now I have a 1 out of 2 chance rather than 1 out of 4. Okay, but now I'm going to show you two different ways to actually find the correct answer. One is by using long division. We're doing 5x minus 2 divided by x plus 3. 5x divided by x is 5. So I'm actually going to put a 5 right here. And then I'm going to distribute that 5 to this x plus 3. So I get 5x plus 15. And then I'm going to subtract 5x minus 5x is 0, so those cancel. Negative 2 minus 15 is negative 17. So I have 5 with a remainder of negative 17, which can be written as 17 over x plus 3. That tells us it's option D. Now another way that we could do this, and this requires a little bit of looking ahead and seeing what we might be able to cancel, what we could do is rewrite this numerator as 5x plus 15 minus 15 minus 2. Okay, now that didn't change any values because plus 15 and minus 15 is really adding 0. And here's why we did that. From this first couple terms, we can factor out a 5 and get x plus 3. And then we have minus 15 minus 12, which is minus 17 over x plus 3. Now, if I split this into two fractions, I've got 5 times x plus 3 over x plus 3 minus 17 over x plus 3. And the x plus 3 over x plus 3 here cancels, leaving me with 5 minus 17 over x plus 3. So this method might be a little bit easier if you can look ahead and see how you can adjust this so that you can factor and cancel out that x plus 3. So for number 15, we are choosing option D.